That dead man, dead.
Rob them. I
Dead.
place a spiritual hedge around their
So stay tuned. Catching the adventure. You see me? So you have to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Feel Joe right. See there? First one that's
and premature exposure will not rob them. I place
Dead.
a spiritual
Dead.
I
Dead.
place a spiritual.
yeah, man, peeps. So stay tuned. Watch your gun. Kill two already. We are look two more. Guys, so I have glasses here. Come like a scope. Zoom them up. You see me? So just come in. Catch even two more and do a look up. Catch and cook. You see me? So just stay tuned. Watch your gun. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. You see me? So just stay tuned. See?
No. Oh yeah. Oh, a fly. Him. Him fly?
Yeah, we up.
Shit, man.
I don't know. Guava tree. But me eat it though.
Every tree, banana tree.
Hey, it says a mini farm, you know? Banana tree, guava tree. What that tree your name?
You know what I mean?
Cassava. I think a cassava tree this, you know. Ribena tree. Sweet sap tree. Pepper tree, pine tree. Banana tree, see there? Banana tree. There's a nice little farm in a Kingston, you know.
That worm there, worm there.
Worm? That's another worm there.
See that?
That's not do like them, you know. Lord. It's a worm.
Yeah, I'm good on them worm all over there.
That's I'm not to eat them, brother. I'm not to eat.
Damn, we need to catch it, dog. You see my bleed, dog? Damn, we need to get it. Not tree, yeah.
So man peeps, so right now I'm up on a location, get the bird and cook up, you see me? So stay tuned for that. And like, share, comment, subscribe. So we are up on a look up. And I might look safety spot and invite them to over there. So put them up, you see me? So if you like, share, comment, subscribe. So we can follow boy. See if we can give him a good shot. Yes, sir?
We do not get shit that come because I'm going to stay.
Dead,
The peeps?
Dead. Dead.
Dead.
Say man peeps, so just shot that one day, you know. Jordan I go film right now. Jordan I go film. If you guys really do enjoy content like this, comment and let me know. So I want to see more video like these are fishing, spear fishing. See me? The reason why I'm not doing spear fishing, I have the vehicle for move, but do for go to the locations to do spear fishing. You see me? So but that I come up there, but the only content I can mostly focus on right now are like bird hunting, or like canal fishing, like crabs and those stuff. So rather than just show the bird, I go show him and things. So just stay tuned, subscribe, share, comment. I'm up know what I want to do. You see me? Me have enough. Me have a lot of crazy adventures in my mind, but I just show me now have the movements. You see me? I have the movements. So when you want to help me out with that, you can do that, you see me? So but stay tuned. So right now I get the bird them clean up, season them up and open grill style, you see me? So stay tuned. So I'm showing the bird right now. The peeps the bird here. One to him back, you know. Just like that. See me? Yeah. Then I'm gonna start dealing right away. Come on, see. Look too soon. Come on, peeps. Right now, look some stick for go across the grill. So, chop a couple of them glammy cherry stick here, shield them, put them across the fire. So, watch out, go. Cut them. Like it up. Yo. Take here. Man, peeps, right now, catch up with fire, you know. Catch up with fire. GP myself. GP. I'm on the GP fan. You see you. GP. GP, I like personally. You're alright. Focus on field work. We are focused on field work. Yeah, big up, please. You got the season right away, you know. Just gonna get the stood to alcohol. Blaze away, fire is blazing. Lele. You're coming now. That's a good tea, that's it. Put the ball this up. I need to put the ball. People, so we have chicken seeds here. But wait, that's 2 chicken seeds I bring? Oh, wait, go on. I bring 2 chicken seeds. That for go work, you know. That for go work. Time I bring 2 chicken seeds. How much chicken seeds we have? Go on, see it, oh, funny too. So, trying to put seeds upon the bird, you know. And one of them alone? Eh?
Yeah. No, the 3 no. But one day drop. Okay. I need to tap on the glass again. So one left. Yo.
Watch it, eh? Watch it, something I go. The geezer, eh? Bone out. Smoke kill me off.
See it off.
Tell you, man.
And I smoke from kill up and kiss it too. Smoke your teeth and smart it. Teeth with the feeling. Bring salt. Bring salt.
I want a salt. You want salt?
Well, dog. Go and look. Deep basket. Kita benar-benar dulu. One minute.
Peeps, so Jordan I go shoot, don't shoot yet, you know. Hold on, man, tell you when. So, I have a glass back down and so zoom in on it. Hold on. Go on. Hey, miss boy. Then I go for a long shot, you know. Go on, my boy. Chef Bob. Catch me. Chef Bob Peeps. You smell that? Smell that? Smell it? Smell nice though. Yeah, boy. Record. Peeps, you smell that? I just dash the more I see the like this. Well seasoned. Look more. Paper splash. Catch this. Paper splash, right? My name, sponsor me, yeah, see that? Paper splash.
Paper splash. You made this possible. You made this possible.
You made this possible.
No.
Just like that. What you gotta do?
Video.
Ready, you know what, guys?
Doctor, hold him. Let me put the shoot word today. What time? School over? Oh, you don't go to school? No, no.
Do ketchup, me. You should know, say, a jerk bird and bread. Yes. Yeah, man.
Mama gone, you made this possible. What? So when I tell them the said the ocean's missing food was nice.
Wow. Trying to slam. See, I'm sure I want it. Right there. Guys, bird really nice here.
Oh, you eat where I'm missing.
Half all the life gone.
Oh, bird can't eat.
You tell them, I eat them. Nice.
That was it.
Some
I'm
ketchup
going
there.
to say, what nastiness.
My ketchup there.
Hold on. Let's see if I know this thing.
Challenge.
Jesus Christ.
Mom poops. So old side I do it though. By what my back?
Hold it.
Some good that goal. Yes, I foot over already. I tell me about 5 now. Woo. I like my glasses. And people say I'm gonna finish up this. So if you really do enjoy the video, if you like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the post, notification bell, so I get notified upload new videos. See me? Tell a friend, share a video. You see me? But now I take less than a couple seconds. Then let's do that for me, please. Me, I beg you. Send to even 10 friends and I contact. Sorry. So just stay tuned and catch you on the next one. Nobody says, yeah. Now we have to tell the people them.
Yeah, I believe I'm asking if you enjoy. Because no one wants to enjoy video. But what thing, one can enjoy this because not taste it. When I go shoot bird, video it, and post my YouTube. Them do them things that I like. I like, comment, share, and subscribe.